Hey Chris, Max, this is John, West Coast Connects. We reached out, spoke with you, promised this free video, so here it is. I'm going to keep things pretty short and sweet. Just want to show you two or three tips that you could do to really maximize your traffic online and build on that customer base. So all I ask in return is that you could send me some feedback, whether that be via email, text, phone call, anything would suffice. I just would really love to get your thoughts. So with that, let's get started. So one thing that a lot of people don't do, which you guys have done a pretty good job of, is a lot of people don't add enough content on their site. And you guys may be a little bit short in terms of what kind of Google wants, but you do have quite a bit of content there. So, it's not quite that bad. Typically what Google likes to see is about 1,500 to 2,000 words on a homepage. And the great thing about content is really twofold. So the first is so that you can be found for specific keywords, right? Which you are being found for 131 keywords, and you are being found for some good things. So water removal, Austin, hazmat cleaning, mold removal, which is a national keyword. Mold removal, Austin, water damage. Well, that's another national keyword. Water extraction, Austin. So mold remediation, Austin. So some of these things you're really doing a good job of. You see the position though. You're just kind of you're a second page and beyond, just a little bit too far back to really get some traffic. But having those keywords within your content really helps. So if you're wanting to be found for, say, water damage Austin, right? I might have that as a heading. I might have it within my text. I might even save one of these images as that keyword, which, you guys are doing, right? Water damage restoration Austin. You got it right there. So, some of the strategies that you have within the website is really good, and you guys are doing quite a bit of good things. So, um, you know, having that content though also does something else. It's also a ranking factor. So if you look at sites like Wikipedia, for instance, one of the reasons why Wikipedia does so well is because they just have so much content that they just beat everybody out. So content's super important, and it's good that you guys are doing a decent job. I might add a little bit more content just to help you guys rank a little bit better, but you guys are doing a good job. You have a blog on here, which is important to keep adding keywords. So, it's a good start. So, you're doing good. My second tip would be to strengthen up your GMB, right? But, you guys have been doing, again, a really good job. You have 112 reviews. The one thing is, I'm not sure what you're ranking for and what keywords, you guys are potentially going after with this GMB. So, I did put in water damage Austin, which is one of the bigger, keywords. There's 200 searches a month. And, I don't think, your company isn't here. I'd have to go search, but really you want to be on the top three. So, just because you're not ranking for this keyword in the top three doesn't necessarily mean you aren't ranking for things. You know, again, the 112 reviews is part of it. You do want to make sure that when you're on directories, say like Yelp or whatever directories that you're on, all this information shows up exactly as you have it here. So you're open 24 hours. Does it show on the directories that you're open 24 hours? Is the number match? All those things come into play to help get you ranked. Are you doing stuff with your social media? Is this linked and branded with your social media? All those things are important and will help you rank for whatever keywords that you're wanting to rank for. So, that would be my second tip, is just to really build this up and optimize it, because what happens is when people are searching for this keyword, right, these can pull up to 40% of the traffic. So if you're talking about 200 searches a month, you're talking about 80 searches that are going directly through a GMB. And, that can really help in adding, customers every month. And any way you can get potential clients to your site, the better off you are. My third and final tip would just be to continue grow and strengthen your GMB, or not your GMB, your website. this is a great start. You guys are doing a great job here. 171 websites that are sending almost 2,000 links back to your site. You're ranking on the 131 keywords. You're kind of a little far back and to where you're just not quite getting enough traffic, right? And part of that is that you just really need to make sure that you're keeping up with your competition. So whatever they have, you want to beat them out in what they have. And one of your competition, this is the Steam team, right? They're ranked number one for that particular keyword, and they don't have as high a UR as yours, slightly higher DR, and but this is kind of what their site looks like. They have 142 links that are linking 542 or 142 websites that are linking 542 links back to their site, and they're ranking on 186 keywords. But they're getting a lot of traffic, primarily because they're number one in that spot. So anytime you're number one, you're going to get a lot of volume for that particular keyword. So I hope this has been helpful. I hope it's been informative. We'd love to help you in any way we can. Feel free to reach out if you'd like to get in contact with me. My contact information is in the email. I also have a link to my calendar if you'd like to set up a time in which to speak. We will help you any way we can. So with that, have a great day and God bless. Bye. Thank you.